What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from WellStar Reviews and Healthy Well For You. Today I'm reviewing Whole Package from Heart and Soil. And as you can see in the background here, I take a lot of supplements. This is one of my supplement cabinets. I have more in this cabinet, and then I have more in my pantry. And I experiment a lot. So whenever I talk about a new supplement, I spend time utilizing the supplement and I share exactly what I experience. And I'm very tactical about how I integrate it into my routine to see that I'm actually getting the results that they say I'm gonna get. Or if I'm not, right? So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my personal experience with Whole Package from Heart and Soil, which, by the way, they have a female version of this, which is called Her Package. I believe it's called Her Package, but the Whole Package is for men. So maybe it's Whole Package, his and hers kind of thing. But basically the purpose of this formula is to support hormonal health and to support your body, specifically for men, in producing more testosterone. Now, I'm gonna share with you a crazy experience I had with this product, and as a man, you're gonna be like, that's awesome. And if you're looking for this for your man, you're gonna be like, that's awesome too. So it includes 3 ingredients: testicles, liver, and blood. There's 1,500 milligrams of testicle, 750 of liver, and 750 milligrams of blood. So first and foremost, I'm gonna share with you a little breakdown of the ingredients, but I'm gonna share with you my personal experience after I share with you the testicle and the formula. So testicle and the formula is literally just the raw material that is necessary, that is needed for testosterone production. So we're talking cholesterol, peptides, and enzymes that specifically benefit reproductive health, libido, vitality, these types of things. It helps not only with your testosterone, but it helps with your androgen function as well. So your testosterone and your DHT. This is responsible for your metabolism, this is responsible for your testosterone levels, and this is responsible for hair growth. So if you want to see healthier metabolism, healthy testosterone, and healthy hair growth, Whole Package is beneficial because of the testicle that you're consuming within the formula. Now, before I go on to the grass-fed liver and blood in there as well, which, by the way, this is all grass-fed, regeneratively farmed, etc., so on and so forth. So it's super high quality. You don't have to worry about that. Also in a glass bottle. I want to share with you my experience literally the first day I took these. So I tend to start out on supplements taking a smaller dose than what they recommend for a few reasons. One, I want to see if I feel anything from a smaller dose. And 2, I don't really want to shock my body necessarily by jumping full in and just kind of like throwing the kitchen sink at my body. I want to give my body a little bit of an ability to absorb and properly sort of deconstruct what I give it from a raw material, raw ingredient perspective. So this formula is recommending 6 capsules. So the first day I got it, I was like, all right, I'm gonna take 3. Typically I do about half, just to kind of like ease my way into it. And that night, literally that night, well, when I was going to sleep, first of all, I just started feeling my balls tingling. I was like, there was like heat and tingling, and I was like, whoa, it's doing something. That night, I literally woke up and my balls were like tingling. They were like, this is weird to share on YouTube, but they were like tingling. And I started to get a hard on, just like randomly in the middle of the night. And I was like, okay, this works. This product works. So I can share with you that that's not normal for me to just wake up in the middle of the night and feel my balls tingling and start getting a hard on. But it was literally the first night after I took this. So I was like, okay, the testicle giving my body raw material for cholesterol production for testosterone, I could literally feel it in my testicles. So I know that this works because I don't see a first day response of my body typically to most products. Like I said, I take a lot of supplements, so I don't feel it's hard for me to actually sort of gauge and notice if I feel anything because I take so much. But with this, like I said, first day. So I was like, okay, this definitely works. So I could tell. Additionally, I noticed that in going to the gym, I noticed my energy levels were higher. I noticed I was like faster with my reps, which, you know, sometimes you got to slow them down if you want time under tension. However, I just noticed I had more energy. I was adding more weight to my squats. I've since not only added more weight to my squats, I've also added more weight to like chest press and things like that, curls. So I've actually like added 5 pounds here and there, just simply by starting the supplements. The only change I've made, and I am not having really difficulty with those reps like I thought I would. So I'm literally hitting new highs in terms of you know, physical peak conditioning. And also I just have like more vitality within my body. I can literally feel it. So I love it. I personally recommend it. And it's something that if, as a man, once you hit like 30, you know, 30, 32 as a man, you're gonna have to start supporting your testosterone somehow. I don't recommend TRT, especially right out of the gate. There's a lot of 30-year-olds, 35-year-olds that are on TRT. I'm 36 years old. I do not recommend TRT in your 30s, honestly. I don't think it's wise. However, taking something like this is way cheaper, first of all. Second of all, you're giving your body the raw materials, not only for testosterone production, but also DHT, androgens, things for metabolism, hair growth, sexual health and function, libido, strength, energy, endurance, conditioning, things like that. So, moving on in the formula, there's 750 milligrams of liver. Liver is great, it has really high heme iron. That helps with your hemoglobin, so it helps with your oxygen transportation systems throughout the body, which is vitally important because as you age, your ability to hydrate and properly oxygenate sort of decrease over time. So that's really helpful because it gives your body oxygen, which is literally energy. It's recovery, it's circulation, it helps your red blood cells and the hemoglobin in your red blood cells to transport oxygen and nutrients throughout your entire body, so it's very important. And then there's also a lot of highly bioavailable zinc within liver as well, so that's super beneficial. A bunch of B vitamins, and it also helps with your detox pathways to ensure that your estrogen is not too high. Because if your testosterone is low and your estrogen is high, that's not good. So the nice thing about the liver in this formula is the testicles is improving your testosterone, and then the liver is helping to make sure your estrogen isn't too high, which you don't want those ratios off, obviously. And then, I'm sorry, the heme iron, that's in the blood. That's the third thing. So that's the third thing in the formula. I completely misspoke there. That's the third thing there. That helps with your stamina, energy, endurance, and it just really helps your body to transport oxygen properly, helps your hemoglobin molecule in your red blood cells to transport nutrients and oxygen both. So that's from the blood. So, you're getting the liver benefits in terms of like, your hormones, in terms of your signaling molecules, you're lowering your estrogen, your testicle within the formula is helping to boost testosterone, and then the blood is helping increase your heme iron so that your red blood cells are healthier and your oxygen and nutrients are transported throughout your body better. So you're getting a lot in one singular formula. There's liver, I will say this, it seems like liver organ meat is in like every supplement this company has, which not a huge deal, but sometimes I'm like, okay, I'm taking this, I'm taking that, I'm taking 2 or 3 things and they all have liver. I'm like, I'm probably getting too much liver. So you don't want to take too much, this is just a quick sort of warning, you don't want to take too much liver. So I would sort of cycle them, do 1 at a time or 2 at a time, and then kind of recycle, because you don't want too much liver. You'll get vitamin A toxicity if you do too much. But with that being said, you can look up the symptoms of vitamin A toxicity if you want to look into that further. It's probably unlikely for most Americans because we're all deficient in a lot of things. But with that being said, I love this product. Like I said, the first night, my balls were tingling and I started to get a hard on and woke up in the middle of the night. And I'm like, okay, this product works. So if you're a man and you like your balls to tingle and you like to get hard, this product is for you. Like you have stamina, you want to have more stamina, energy, and endurance, and you want to make sure that you're sexually healthy and you're physically fit and your metabolism and hair growth and sexual function are optimal as you age, this is a great product. I'm 100% sure of it. Like I said, I take a lot of products. I take Shilajit, I take a lot of things with B vitamins, things that help the liver, that help the colon, that help everything. And then I have my pantry full of products as well. I don't feel things out of the gate that quickly, and with this, with the half dose, like I said, I noticed a difference within less than 24 hours and right where it says it targets. So I know that this product works, and I think it's worth it for every man. Once you hit 30, this is arguably one of the best things you can take. Honestly, I think this is probably one of the best things you can take for your stamina, for your testosterone levels, and it's gonna be worth it. So I'll put the link below, check it out. I'll also put discount code below. I think it gives you like 10% off. Highly recommend it. And also put a link below, healthybaldfree.com/shop, which will give you a discount on 30 plus different health and wellness brands. I'll see you in the next review video. Make sure to subscribe, leave your comments and questions below, and make sure to stay healthy. Cheers.